When it comes for mobile device, let me say we bought for every technician in the bigger factories, all they have an own mobile device now. We have also iPads or something else, the tablets there, but all technical has now a mobile device. They can do, first of all, maybe they have this pop-up, you have to do something, and they can start directly to do. Then they can see all the work orders, what is there happen, and they can assign it to them. So then we save a lot of time to walk from the last machine, and Schweinfurt factory is a really big factory. It can be that he has to walk 500, 600, 700 meters to his maintenance department and check my next work order. So now he can do it directly on the phone. So he can book the parts, he can open the work order, he can close the work order, and it's what the technical guys want. And it needs a little bit time in Schweinfurt to tell the guys, now this is the tool, this is what you need, please test it. And we said not you have to use in the beginning. We said please test it. And they say, oh that's good, and that is good, and that is good. Now they see it when they work, they save a lot of time. So all the things they can do, and this was really, really good for us. Now, so they have not to go back in the maintenance area and see what is the next work order. They can see it directly on this mobile phone. And we save a lot of money about, let me say, from the way to here. But they can read it and say, come on, this is the machine here next to me. I can repair that.